Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone text message not working after update iOS 16. Solution number 1. Turn on Send As SMS. First go to Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on Messages. On the next page, turn on Send As SMS. Solution number 2. Turn on automatically under the date and time. Go to Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on General. Next, click on Date and Time. Turn on Set Automatically. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.